Welcome to NNQ's World. We already discussed about the divisibility rule from 2 to 7. Now we will discuss about the divisibility rule from 8 to 11. So first we will discuss divisibility rule of 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is a multiple of 8 or it is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. Or last 3 digits are 0, then that number is divisible by 8. Just do 10,000. 10,000. The last 3 digits are 0. So 10,000 is divisible by 8. No need to divide whole 10,000 by 8. Just check last 3 digits. If it is 0, then that number is divisible by 8. Likewise, for example, 92,016. You just check the last 3 digits only. No need to check 92,016. No need to divide the number by 8 fully. 92,016 you no need to divide by 8. It is time consuming. You just check last 3 digits. 016. It is divisible by 8. Just divide 16 by 8. It is 2. So it is divisible. So 92,016 is divisible by 8. So no need to divide the whole number. You just check last 3 digits only. If it is last 3 digits are 3 zeros, then that number is divisible by 8. So the rule is, if the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then that whole number is divisible by 8. Or last 3 digits are zeros, 3 zeros, then that number is divisible by 8. Next we will move on to divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Same like that of divisibility rule of 3. You have to just add the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 6. It will be equal to 9. So it is divisible by 9. So this number 126 is divisible by. No need to do 126 divide by 9 like this. No need to calculate. You just sum it, and if the answer you are getting is a multiple of 9, then that number is divisible by 9. You can calculate for any digit of numbers, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit. You just calculate the sum only, 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. You just add it. If the answer is a multiple of 9 or it is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by. Here 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4, it's equal to 14. So it is not divisible by 9. 14 divided by 9, it is not possible. So we will get decimal place. So it is not divisible by 9. So 3254 is not divisible by 9. Next we will move on to divisibility rule of 10. If any number ends with 0, then that number is divisible by 10. 120, 250, 3500, like that. If any number ends with 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Next we will move on to the divisibility rule of 11. You have to take the alternating sum of the digit, and the difference of that number is a number that is equal to 0, or it is divisible by 11, then that number is divisible by 11. With the rule you didn't understand, now we will go with an example. 1331. You just take these two numbers, alternating digit 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 you have to add. Then you subtract with the other two alternating digits, that is 3 and 1, minus 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is divisible by 11. Likewise here you have to take 1, 4, 6. You have to add the alternating digits, 1 plus 4 plus 6. Then you have to add this 7 and this 4. 7 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 minus 7 plus 4. It is 11 plus 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. It is divisible by 11. If the answer you are getting is 0, then that number is divisible by 7. Like that we can calculate for 613, 261. 613, 261. 6, 3, 6. You have to plus. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Minus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So it's divisible by 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So it is divisible by 11. So 613261 is divisible by 11. 6,13,261 is divisible by 11. I hope you all understood this, all the divisibility rules. Now we will move on to conclusion. Before concluding, can I ask you one question? Why we need this divisibility rules? You got the answer? Okay. I will tell you. 3, 6, 8, 4, 0. Any number you can take. If you are dividing with normal division, it will take more time. If you divide 36,840 divided by 9 or 7 or 8, it will be time consuming. So we will move with these rules. Then it is easy whether it is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. It can be easy. So first we will check the divisibility rule of 2. 0 is the even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Next we will move on to the divisibility rule of 3. You have to just add the numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0, that is equal to 21. So 21 is a multiple of 3. That is 7 into 3 is 21. So it is divisible by 3. No need to divide the whole number by 3. You just add the number, then that number is divisible by 3. Then that whole number 36,840 is divisible by 3. So this rule also satisfied. Next we will move on to the divisibility rule of 4. Just check last two numbers. 40. If 40 is divisible by 4, then this 36,840 is divisible by 4. So 40 by 4 is 10. So it is divisible. So this rule is satisfied. Next we will move on to the divisibility rule of 5. Last digit is 0. So this rule is satisfied. So 36,840 is divisible by 5. No need to divide the number by 5. Next we will move on to the divisibility rule of 6. Here we have to check the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Whether it is divisible by 2 or 3. So these two rules satisfied, because 0 it's an even number. If you sum the numbers, then you get 21. So it's a multiple of 3. So both the rules satisfied, 2 and 3. So this also satisfied. So no need to divide the whole number by 6. You just check the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. If it's satisfied, then that number is divisible by 6. Next we will move on to divisibility rule of 7. You have to just cross off the last digit, then you double it. Here it is 0 only, then subtract from the remaining number. So 3684. Then again you have to cross off the digit 4, then double it. Then it is 368 minus 8. So it is equal to 360. 360 again you have to cross off the digit, double it, then subtract it. Which is 36. Is 36 is a multiple of 7? No. It is not divisible by 7. So this rule is not satisfied. So this number 36,840 is not divisible by 7. Next we will move on to divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is, you just check the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits, if it is 0, then that number is divisible by 8. Or if last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. That is 840 divided by 8. Here you just check only the last three numbers. 840 by 8 is 105. So this number is divisible by 8. So this rule is satisfied. 36,840 is divisible by 8. It is satisfied. No need to calculate or no need to divide this number fully. Next, we will move on to 9. Here, you just sum it. 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0. It is equal to 21. So, 21 is not divisible by 9. 21 is not a multiple of 9. So, this rule is not satisfied. This rule is not satisfied. So, 36,840 is not divisible by 9. Next, we will move on to 10. 10 means the last digit is 0, then this number is divisible by 10. So, last digit is here 0. So, this number is divisible. 36,840 is divisible by 10. Next, we will move on to 11. Divisibility rule of 11. For this, you have to take the alternating digit. Alternative digit is 3 plus 8 plus 0. That is 11. Minus these two digits. 6 plus 4. That is 10. So, 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. So, this rule is also not satisfied. That means you have to get the difference as 0 or it is divisible by 11 or it's a multiple of 11. Then only this number is divisible by 11. So, 36,840 is not divisible by 11. So, it is easy to do with this rule. I hope you all understood the divisibility rule of numbers from 2 to 11. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.